In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom emoji in Slack. Before we jump in, a quick note. You'll get the smoothest experience using Slack in a desktop browser, and in many workspaces you'll need permission to manage customization. If you don't see the options I'm showing, check with your workspace admin. Start by opening Slack in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once Slack loads, look toward the top left area where your workspace controls live and open the admin menu. From there, choose the option to edit or manage your workspace. This takes you into the settings area where all the customization lives. In the workspace settings, find and open the emoji section. This is where you can view existing custom emoji, add new ones, and manage aliases. If you land on a page that says there aren't any custom emoji in your workspace yet, that's totally fine. It just means you're starting fresh. You can click into that prompt to reveal the available actions. Before we upload a brand new image, let me quickly show you the alias option. Click Add Alias. An alias lets you reuse any existing emoji under a new custom name so people can find it more easily. Click the field to choose an existing emoji, pick one from the list, then enter an alias name. Keep names short, lowercase, and use underscores instead of spaces. For this walkthrough, we'll back out so we can create a new emoji from an image instead. So hit Cancel to return to the main emoji page. Now click Add Custom Emoji. Choose Upload Image and select the file you want to use from your computer. For best results, start with a small, square image. A transparent PNG often looks great, but JPG and GIF work too. If your image has a lot of detail, consider simplifying it first. Emoji appear tiny in messages, so bold, high contrast shapes read best. After the image uploads, give your emoji a name. Again, use lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores, like Party Parrot or Team Logo. This is what your teammates will type between colons to use the emoji, so make it intuitive and easy to remember. Check the preview to make sure it looks crisp. If you see any kind of highlight or selection area, adjust it so the part you want is clearly framed. When everything looks right, click Save to add it to your workspace. Next, return to Slack. Open any channel or direct message where you want to test your new emoji. If Slack has been open for a while, refresh your browser page to make sure the new emoji gets picked up right away. In the message composer, click the emoji icon to open the picker. In the search field, start typing the exact name you gave your custom emoji. You should see it appear in the results with the name you chose. Click the custom emoji and it'll drop into your message. Then send the message and your new emoji will show up for everyone in the channel. That's the full process. To recap the key points as you keep building out your library. Use small, square images that stay legible at emoji size. Name them clearly so they're easy to search, and refresh Slack after saving a new emoji so it's available immediately. If you want multiple ways to find the same icon, use the Add Alias option to create extra names without uploading duplicates. And if something doesn't look right, you can always come back to the emoji settings to replace the image or change the name. With that, you now know how to create custom emoji in Slack, test them in a channel, and make them easy for your team to use. Have fun customizing your workspace.